Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving in some challenging NMDCAT MCQs to sharpen your biology knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQs is, which of the following cells are primarily responsible for the production of antibodies? A. Macrophages, B. T cells, C. B cells, and D. neutrophils. So the correct answer is C. The next MCQ is, what is the main function of helper T cells? A. To directly destroy infected cells. B. To produce antibodies. C. To activate other immune cells. D. To produce histamines. So the correct option is C. To activate other immune cells. The next MCQ is, which of the following is considered a physical barrier and the first line of defense? A. Antibodies, B. Skin, C. Macrophages, D. Cytokines. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is, which type of immunity is provided by vaccination? A. Innate immunity, B. Passive immunity, C. Active immunity, and D. Autoimmunity. So the correct option is C. Active immunity. The next MCQ is, which of the following is a characteristic of adaptive immunity? A. Non-specific response, B. Immediate response, C. Memory formation, D. Physical barrier formation. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is, which molecule on the surface of a pathogen triggers an immune response? A. Antigens, B. Antibody, C. Cytokine, and D. Interferon. So the correct option is antigen. A is the correct option. The next MCQ is, what type of cells are involved in the rejection of transplanted organs? A. B cells, C, B. helper T cells, C. Cytotoxic T cells, and D. plasma cells. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is, which of the following is a secondary lymphoid organ? A. Thymus, B. bone marrow, C. spleen, and D. liver. So the correct option is C. spleen. The next MCQ is, what is the role of macrophages in the immune response? A. Producing antibodies, C. Engulfing and digesting pathogens, C. Activating B cells, and D. Producing cytokines. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is, what type of immunity is required through the transfer of antibodies from mother to body? A. Active immunity, B. Passive immunity, C. Innate immunity, and D. Artificial immunity. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is, what type of cell produce histamine and are involved in allergic response? A. B cells, C. mast cells, C. neutrophils, and D. macrophages. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is, which component of the immune system directly attacks and destroys virus-infected cells? A. helper T cells, B. B cells, C. cytotoxic T cells, and D. macrophages. So the correct option is C. cytotoxic T cells. The next MCQ is, which immune cells are involved in phagocytosis? Option A. T cells, option B. B cells, C. neutrophil and macrophages, and D. mast cells. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is, which of the following as an example of an autoimmune disease? A. AIDS, B. rheumatoid arthritis, C. influenza, and D. tuberculosis. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is, what are cytokines? A. Antibodies, B. Hormones, C. Signaling proteins, and D. Antigens. So the correct option is C. Signaling protein. The next MCQs is which part of an antibody binds to an antigen? A. Constant region, C. Variable region, C. Hang region, and D. FC region. So the correct option is B. The next MCQs is what is the role of the thymus and the immune system? A. Producing antibodies, B. Maturing T cells, C. Filtering bloods, and D. Storing lymphocytes. So the correct option is B. The next MCQs is what type of immunity is achieved through breast? A. Innate immunity, B. passive immunity, C. Active immunity, and D. Artificial immunity. So the correct option is B. Passive immunity. The next MCQs is which cells are the main effectors of humoral immunity? A. T cells, B. B cells, C. Macrophages, and D. Dendritic cells. So the correct option is B. B cells. The next MCQs is which of the following is not a function of antibodies? A. Neutralization of toxins, C. Direct killing of pathogens, and D. Activation of complement system. So the correct option is C. The next MCQs is which molecule is produced by a virus infected cell to one neighboring cells? A. Antibodies, B. Interferons, C. Histamines, and D. Cytokines. So the correct option is B. Interferon. Thanks for joining me. I hope these NMDCAT MCQs help you sharpen your biology skills. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.